Hello friends, this is Mudassar from Phone Year. I hope you all are well. If you're looking for a budget phone that has all the latest specs inside, Tecno is the company to go with. They produce some very nice phones with very reasonable price, and they have all the specs you are looking for these days. Right now I have Tecno Spark 5 with me. It's a Pro version, Tecno Spark 5 Pro, and I'm going to unbox it and we'll find out what kind of specs they are giving us inside. It's a very reasonably priced phone right now. Let's open the box. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it and press the bell icon as well. On the top we see the phone, so let's put it aside for now. Here underneath we are getting this silicone back cover. The cover looks quite flexible and different in design. As you can see, it's transparent in the middle part and tinted from the elsewhere. I think it's been designed to stand the rough handling. Here we are getting the micro USB cable. And these are the usual earphones, which is a good thing to see in this price range. Here is the charger that looks like a normal charger to me, and there seems to be no fast charging support on this phone. So I think that 5000 mAh battery is going to take a lot of time during our charging test. Here comes the main item. The front is all screen, and here on top left corner we are getting the front camera of 8 megapixel along with the dual flash support. The screen protector has this strange cutout. Unlike the common practice, it is not round shaped, which makes it a bit different. Here on the back we are looking at a multicolored gradient looking plastic. The color in my hand is seabed blue. I think they have taken two different shades of the sea. This phone is coming with three more color variants: cloud white, spark orange and ice jadeite. Here is the quad camera setup with 16 megapixel main lens, 2 megapixel bokeh and 2 megapixel macro lens, and the fourth one is AI lens. Besides them, there is a quad flash that should be quite powerful. Take a closer look and you will notice a pattern on this surface that we often see on Tecno and Infinix phones. On the right side, the power key has a red color line on it, which is making it a bit prominent, but I think the frame color is too heavy for this red color to go prominent. And here the volume keys, I can easily access them. The left side has the SIM tray slot that houses the two nano SIMs and a micro SD card slot. You can put 4G SIMs inside because this phone supports 4G. Let's turn on the phone, and while it does, we can go back to see if it registered the fingerprint impressions or not. I think yes, it does catch the impressions. I believe that the provided back cover is a must thing. Let's try it on to see what kind of look it provides. And I think this way the phone is looking better to me than without it. I'm not saying the colors are not good, but this way it's looking more compact. Here at the bottom I can see some protective measures that I believe are here to keep the dust away from micro USB and audio jack slot. I think it's a great effort. Spark 5 Pro features a 6.6 inches HD Plus display, 720 x 1600 to be exact, and to me it looks quite nice to look at. According to Tecno, it can reach 480 nits brightness. This phone has an octa-core chipset inside. The version I have has a 4GB RAM and a 64GB internal storage. By the way, there is also a 128GB internal storage version. I'll just share their prices as well by the end of this video. Spark 5 Pro has an Android 10, and on the top of it we have the Tecno's HiOS version 6.1. HiOS 6 is the latest iteration and it's much improved in terms of performance this time. This phone has all the common biometric features that are available on every other phone today. Let's try the performance of fingerprint scanning and facial unlock. For this price, the speed of unlocking the phone is quite okay. I can feel the facial unlock is snappier than its fingerprint scanner. That seems to lag a little sometimes, but it is okay considering the price point of this phone. Well, there are too many apps pre-installed, especially these games that install on auto when you configure the phone. You can easily get rid of them or any other pre-installed app that you don't like. You can see this Palm Store over here, which is not a very extensive. It's an app gallery of Tecno, but I think on this phone Google Play is a better option. Tecno speaks a lot about high themes that you can find here. It's an extensive archive to find a variety of themes as per your taste for shaping up your phone. Let's go back to the setting area again. This phone has a game mode, so we should be getting a good gaming performance out of it. And here is the smart panel option, which is a shortcut bar locked at the edge of your phone for your most frequent tools and apps. It's very easy, but you can only add a limited number of tools here. Look at the social turbo menu. It is also a nice tool. The good thing is it lets you beautify yourself for the video chats. You can record WhatsApp calls, and then there are so many other interesting things you can do from here. Let's try to open some apps to see the speed of this phone. I think they're all opening very quickly, so I think this phone should be giving us a good performance. We review it. Now let's check the camera app. The camera app does not give a very simple look. It seems to be filled with lots of features. Here on the front, I'm looking at these 3 quick buttons for macro shots, standard mode and 2x zoom. The zoom can go up to 8x. Here at the bottom, all the shooting modes are available. Tecno says that the camera can take 14% sharper images this time. There are lots of AI beauty mode for the rear and selfie camera. Interestingly, this front camera can create bokeh selfies as well through its portrait mode. And interestingly, this camera also supports wider selfie from here. Let's take some shots and see how they look initially. So the two main things about this phone is its 5000 mAh battery that we will definitely check in our test, and then the camera, which is filled with lots of modes. The 64GB variant is coming at price of Rs 19,999 in Pakistan, whereas the 128GB internal storage is coming at Rs 21,499. This phone is launching on June 7 at 7 PM. Don't forget to check the Tecno Facebook page for the live launch event, and you can also get a chance to win Tecno Spark 5 Pro there. So guys, this is the unboxing of Tecno Spark 5 Pro from my side. I'll try to do its camera and battery test in the coming days. If you have any comments about this phone, do let me know in the comment area. And please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for getting similar videos. Until the next video, Allah Hafiz.